Here's the app called Colorful Widget Icon and Themes. Yeah, this is just one of those, tens of widget and themes apps. So here you can get awesome themes, you can get a lot of styles, you can get detailed guides. So here, yeah, you can just a lot of installations, dynamic panels, themes, transparent widgets, countdown widgets. I think this is like a Chinese app on the other hand, so it's not completely translated as I understand. So it's mostly, I guess, for Chinese speaking users, but also for all other people. Let's just see it in here. So here you can customize a control center, you can customize wallpapers, and then here, yeah, you can also try different widgets. So huge collection of things from a lot of creators. You can discover it. And if you want to upgrade, then you can have lifetime VIP for $10. So that's why this app is popular, because it's actually super low price. It's $10, not per year, but like lifetime. And then you get access to all of these things lifetime. So that's basically it. So there you have it.